The sun, with all the power and energy at its command, can make anything it wants as easy as drawing thoughts and ideas with a pencil. Full of ideas, the sun created the world of Shoowaii as a playground for its thoughts. First, it made plants that could reproduce the things in its imagination as if they were making brand new flowers and seeds. The sun thought of many things. It thought of a moon to light the sky while it rested and made ready for each new day. It thought of people. The sun was particularly proud of them. It thought of mugs, plates, food to put on them, communication devices, a strange silver box with a small silver key, bees, beehives, honey jars, and even a cute little bunny. Now that is one happy bunny. And that happy little bunny made the sun a happy bunny too. And pleased with all its work, but tired of thinking up new things to make, the sun gave Shoowaii one last gift. With a sense of pride and expectation, the sun breathed its last big idea into all that it had made, endowing everything on Shoowaii with the freedom to think for itself, the freedom to create and choose the lives they wished to lead. And that is how Shoowaii began to look after itself. The ever-smiling sun, like a proud and benevolent parent, watched and waited, fascinated to see what would happen next. Do you want to know what happens next? Then make sure you are subscribed for the continuing story of Shoowaii. And if you're wondering what Shoowaii is all about, then why not watch the story from the very beginning.